When you hear robotics, you may think of BattleBots, drones, or even more nefarious events such as AI taking over our world. There are thousands of applications for robotics, including the medical fields and education. Even now, robotics is taking a stand in all levels of education, K through 12. Many students are already learning and putting their abilities to the test with FIRST. FIRST stands for inspiration and recognition of science and technology. FIRST provides 4 different levels of competition for any students interested in STEM, for science, technology, engineering, and math. FRC, or First Robotics Competition, is the final competition for grades 9 through 12, featuring larger robots that complete tasks around a field on a team. Each team is called an alliance, with 3 teams or robots on each. This alliance works together to score as many points as possible. Already, teams have to strategize before rounds and communicate with each other in order to gain the upper hand on other teams. First Robotics Competition is divided into teams. Anyone can form a team as a mentor or a parent. On the first Saturday of each January, teams all over the world receive the challenge at the same time and have the remaining 6 weeks to do everything from designing, building, and coding a fully functioning robot. Once the 6 weeks are up, robots are bagged and sent to competition with the teams. Teams often range from 5 to 60 plus students and additional mentors to help students reach goals. Teams have their own close-knit relationships, but each team is different. Some are more built for the fun of it, and others are more competitive, constantly finding ways to overcome new challenges. Mentors play a large part in FIRST. They help students figure out ways to make their ideas and their robot come to life. Each team is so different. When competition comes, one of the best activities is talking to other teams about their own robots. During a robotics competition, each team is given a pit, or a small area to use as a temporary shop on the floor. Teams are encouraged to go out and find every pit and collect an item from each pit. Common items for collecting are pins, glasses, stickers, tattoos, and more. The robotics community is one of the most encouraging and friendly. While they are competitive, teams often run to pits to be the first team to help out another with any sort of robot issue. The pits serve as a great ground for learning about the aspects of FIRST without having to view the competition. FIRST students are always ready to help one another, and they love talking about the process of creating their own robot. Most of the subreddit is discussion and jokes about the new parts of additions to FIRST. When competition hits, masses of clips are uploaded and discussion begins on how other teams built their robots or fun events that happened. Other platforms for the FIRST Robotics community include YouTube, where every single year when the build season is finished, teams race to post videos of their robots in action, known as robot reveal videos. Students are the majority of FIRST Robotics competition teams, so they are the ones who really build the community, as well as alumni who bring their knowledge back and volunteer at their local competitions every single year. The FIRST community is massive, but FRC is home to many students who are looking to expand their leadership and STEM skills. Students often create their own team dynamics along with their mentors who help guide them. The impact of FIRST is massive. Students generally feel as if they have increased their skills and abilities by being on an FRC or any robotics team. Robotics overall may not be a physically demanding sport, but it is an amazing way for like-minded students to interact.